ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms ho pho near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka 3 Olives Restaurant Balak play nakbantaban Shakriya P hapo ka jingada jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka jakai lekai bapaw ha Shillong balayada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating balale da ka Meva Enterprise
O Menteri Kesorkar Jela uba petya katanat pule puthi uba Lahkmen Rymbui ha kesngi thok ding jong kasanterik urumpang arjar arpuwei ula ong baka jingkeno jong unong yalam kalyang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma kalong tang ka jingkeno ka bamdan nong rim hae ruem ban ong baka sorkar kala Pynslem ha kabayadai bat ka Jingthung kamya ki Nonghikai ha ki school lower primary ha ka jela barok kawai habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor uba Lahkmen Rymbui ula ong ba ka Jingthung kamya ki 1000 ngut tam ki Nonghikai kadangya shakmat lain no tangha East Khasi Hills District kat ba ka jingpenong ya ki interview ru yamenta kadangya chaprang ya ka bala penlong hadading Grace Civil Subdivision hadin balahap ban penlong biang ya ka examine Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test.
The government never ever delayed the appointment of to any vacant post in the LP school teachers as stated by our LO. In fact, this government, we have the process of appointing of the teachers in about 1,000 posts is going on. Almost all the districts have been completed except the East Khasi Hills which going on and also the Dadengri subdivision which due to which the MTET exam have been reconducted. So we are alive to the situation and all the posts we will fill up in due course of time. That these posts have been vacant and some posts have been appointed on ad hoc basis. But this year in fact last year we have decided to fill on the permanent basis all these posts. So we have conducted MTET as per the norm of NCTE and after that we have already advertised the post and interview also have been conducted as I said except the East Khasi Hills district which interview is going on and also the Dengri subdivision which the exam MTET exam have to be reconducted. So I think whatever allegation, whatever statement that our honorable LO has made, it is totally wrong. It's not based on fact. It is based on but the fact of the matter is that this government is filling up the post and in fact as of today, whatever thing is done is doing smoothly. This vacancy, there are unfortunately there are some in some subdivision and district that the number of qualified teachers is less than the number of posts. In Eastern Hills, the number of posts is more than the number of qualified teachers. So some posts have to be vacant because our intention is that for teaching we have to have a qualified teachers and in Amlarem also, Amlarem subdivision also, the number of posts is more than the number of qualified people. And also in Bagmara, in Vilamnagar, and in Resu, in Maukarwat, there are many district and subdivision which the number of posts is more than the number of qualified candidates. So those posts will be vacant, but we are conducting again the MTET in this coming month so that those posts could be filled up as early as possible. The process is on and I hope that within a very short span of time we will be able to fill up all the posts, all the vacant posts in the entire state of Meghalaya.